The MLS-Touch app allows you to access the MLS in full from your smartphone. This is provided as a member benefit and is available right now to CVR MLS agents. In this video, we will go over the agent experience when using the app for searching, branding, and interacting with clients within the app. Once you've gotten logged in, you'll start at the home page. Here is where you'll access all of your options for searching listings in the app. Searching with the map, searching by criteria with the advanced search, or searching by the MLS number. The map search will highlight all active listings in the area that you're viewing. You can see different listings by changing the orientation of the map or zooming in and out. To narrow the search even further, use this drawing tool. Or you can enter location information into the search bar and add search criteria by tapping filters. Tap this information icon to change the map settings. This is where you can change the appearance of the map to add information like parcel boundaries and school locations. Then just zoom in or adjust the map to see those details. Once you've completed your search, you're able to save the criteria to revisit later. Tap Save Search and give it a name. From the Save Search screen, you can switch between saved searches made in MLS-Touch and in Matrix. Just note that searches saved on the app will not sync to Matrix. On the home screen, tap InstaView and MLS-Touch will search for listings close to your current location. This comes in handy when you see a property nearby and want to quickly find the listing information. The hot sheet highlights new listings, sold listings, price reductions, or other changes within a given time. You'll be able to select up to 10 cities that are of interest to you and get to see up to 30 days of recent activity within those markets. Let's go back to the map and choose one of our results. After finding your results, you can tap one to see the listing display. Swipe to look through photos, or tapping this star icon on the listing will mark it as one of your favorites. Once you mark one, it will appear under My Favorites from the home screen for you to keep up with any changes to that listing. Scroll left or right to look through listing information and the action buttons. The Share button sends listing info by text or email. Once you and your client are connected in the app, you can send listings through in-app messages, or simply copy the MLS number to your clipboard to paste it anywhere you like. You can send showing requests from the app as well. MLS-Touch is integrated with showing time to make scheduling easier, so requests that you send from the app will be received by the listing agent based on their showing time preferences. Once you have scheduled a showing, you can get directions to the listing. Tapping directions in the map window will open your default GPS app. Scroll down and tap showing instructions to review any details the listing agent may have included. Scroll down even further and tap listing agent to show you the listing agent's contact info. If you tap the list agent's name, you can review their past sales and current listings. Let's go back to the home screen one more time. At the bottom of that screen, you'll see the Contacts button. The list that's displayed in the MLS-Touch app syncs with Matrix, and contacts can be added or deleted within the app. Tapping Members will allow you to search for active CVR MLS agents. The More menu shows you other tools provided in the app. My Listings is where you can view listings you've entered to review how they appear in MLS-Touch. Here you'll be able to create a branded listing sheet that you can send to clients. You can also go here to edit the listing price or remarks right from your phone. On the More page, you can also configure brand and share settings to personalize the app with your own logo and color scheme. Once it's enabled, branding will be reflected in the One Home portal as well. From this page, you can tap Share My App to send your prospects a link that grants them access to MLS-Touch. The link can be sent by email or text and can be saved for use in other places such as email signatures. Once your client begins using your branded app, you'll receive a notification and you can collaborate with that client. This enables you both to share listing information with one another, send and receive messages directly in MLS-Touch, and updates about your client's activity will come to you through notifications. You can track that activity on the Contacts page. Configure the Facebook publishing tool to have your listings be automatically posted and updated on Facebook. This includes posts for changes like price reductions and open houses. Tap connect, then sign into Facebook from the app to get started. Do you have a question that wasn't covered in this tutorial? Submit a ticket to MLS support via email or contact us by phone, and we can answer any questions you may have.